This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix GroupMe app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so simply follow along. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution, guys, is just go to your Google Play Store and from here, just search for the GroupMe application. And for this solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now guys, for the second solution, just go to your settings on your device. And then over here, go to the apps. And then from here, guys, just find GroupMe over here. And once you find it, just tap on it and then go to the storage. And guys, make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue on your GroupMe app. So guys, if any of these solution doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall GroupMe on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, guys, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to fix your GroupMe application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!